Welcome back to my channel, and my name is Ashley, and today I am going to do a review on these two foundations. As you notice in the title, I am most definitely going to do an Hourglass foundation versus foundation. They're the same company. This one is more expensive than this one, so I wanted to see and check out which one I would love. And yeah, if you continue watching this video, you will see which one ends up winning. You'll be surprised of the twist. So let's just jump into the video. So first thing first, I'm just gonna go ahead with the MAC Prep Plus Prime and just prime my face before I use the foundations. And then I'm gonna go ahead with the Forcelli, and this is the Unicorn Essence. I have been loving this. Honestly, it's one of my favorite things to like prep my skin, and I just do the tears. Course right here because I got a large head, and I've been breaking out because, you know, life been stressful. When I stress, I eat. And this is how they look. I think I'm gonna go ahead with the stick because that's the one I'm most excited to use. And let's just begin. Right from the bat, I'm just gonna tell you that is very smooth. Ooh, I feel like it's gonna give me good coverage too. So real quick from off the bat, like I mentioned, it's very creamy and very easy to slather, and like literally like it's very silky. I feel like it's full coverage for some reason. Why do I feel orange? Why? I feel orange, people. I'm not liking this. So off the bat, I'm just gonna say it's giving me a lot of coverage. Like it's actually covering like the redness of that zit. I'm not impressed. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not impressed. It's not bad, don't get me wrong. Like I feel like probably if I give it like 3 million, it just didn't impress me like so much as the NARS foundation, the recentness, because even though it's giving me coverage, I feel like it's drying me out at the same time. Oh boy. You know what? I don't think Hourglass will make something and put it in the market unless they test it out. So I think you just have to work with the product a little bit and start experimenting. Let me see if I put a little bit more. Probably it's my skin acting out because like I mentioned, I've been stressing. So that's also, and it's makeup, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. You see, sometimes you just gotta work with the foundation. Okay, now I see what everybody's so hype about this stick for. It does give me this, I feel like it gives you a full coverage and a vibe. So something that I did notice about the foundation is that it's actually more of my skin that was like not having it, because I have been breaking out and stressing out, and it's more on the dry side. So I should have put like more of a cream or moisturizer, so it's not the foundation. But I do have to say the foundation I noticed was the hype about. It does slide in smoothly. The consistency is really there. It gives you like this matte look, but it's not really matte, if I explain it. It's like in between, which I enjoy. I feel like it's coming off really nice in the camera. In real life, it's actually really pretty. It's like really evens out very nicely. I really enjoyed that. Let's go to the next foundation. So I'm really excited. This one was more expensive than the stick one. Hopefully I like the stick one better than this, because Mama can't be purchasing something so expensive. I'll put the price right here somewhere. Yeah, Pineapple. I really don't have the money to be spending on this, but I did want to try it out. Let me give it a good shake. I heard so many good things about the stick, and first I was like, it's not working for me, but you gotta work with it. So yeah, let's see about this one. Okay, this is very sheer, even though I put a lot. It's not covering the pimple as much as it covered the other one. So if that's one of your dilemma, if you have like slits and things you want to cover, you perhaps gonna want to go with the stick. If you have a beautiful skin, a blank, like your canvas, which I'm talking about your face without slits, this is that foundation for you. Now if you don't, now this one is making me, is it just me in my mind? But I feel like this one is making me look orange. Let's just, you know, blend it all out. But I do notice I'm literally like dab, 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 and it's really blending in very nicely. It's more like one of those foundations. It's giving me like a Bronx goddess. She coming through with the shine. It doesn't make me look greasy. You know, like, you know, when you look greasy, it doesn't make me look like that. It makes me look like my skin is like being replenished, which I like. Like I said, it gives you more of a sheen. It's like if you put your highlighter there, I bet you it's gonna be much better than the stick. So that's my pros and cons. So far, I like the stick better. Yes, I said it. I like the stick better because it gave me more coverage, and I think it's depending on how I'm feeling right now, because like I know I need coverage, so yeah. But I know when that baby goes away and it's like hot and I want something that's more of a hydrating my face, this is the baby, which I did say that looks like it drying me out. So right now, I like both. Don't hate me, you know. People are protesting. Are y'all protesting that I can't pick right now? But yeah, it's your choice. You have to comment down below and let me know. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean the side of my face and put the stick, and we're gonna, you know, because I really can't decide for some reason. I feel like this is lighter, which goes, I don't know. Honestly, they both great. Hourglass, you doing your thing. I love the Hourglass. I feel like this one matches more my skin than this one because homegirl needs to be in the summer, but don't worry, summer's right here. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna match this really soon. Okay, so there we go. To foundation. Hold on, let me fix my eyebrows real quick because they're looking crazy. Okay, what y'all think? I really like the stick. That's it. Like, the stick for me is winning. I think it matches, it covers. Yeah, I really enjoy it. I think the stick, oh my gosh, it's so funny. I hated the stick, but compared to the other one, I like it more. It does have its pros and cons, like I mentioned. This one right here, if you have like a clean canvas and you are a dry skin, this is your baby. And if you need more of a coverage and a matted, this one. But I most definitely feel that I feel like I'm gonna use this in the summer, and once I take care of more of my skin, I'm most definitely gonna use this one and get a little bit more tan. This is gonna be my to-go, and whenever I want full coverage and I need something that doesn't feel more of a really matte, this is my baby right here. They both beautiful. I really enjoy what Hourglass has done with these foundations. I have to automatically give the win to the stick. And that's funny. I'm grateful and I'm happy because this is way more inexpensive than this baby. So, moral of the story, not because it's pricey, it's gonna work better than something that's not. So cuties, I do hope that you all enjoyed that video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know which foundation that you enjoy in this video. Is it actually the stick or the fluid foundation? Comment down below and let me know. And I perhaps thought something crazy. Probably we could make this a series in my channel. We could do like foundation versus foundation of the same company. I think it would be such a good idea. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that notification button so you could be notified every time I upload a video. So I'll see you all next time. Peace. Bye.